Howdy folks, Isaac Martinez here with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland. Just wanted to jump on here with another quick how-to, and this one will work for any Ram truck that has the powered deployable steps. The cool thing about those is they retract and open up with the door, so they typically stay clean. But if for some reason they do get dirty, here's a quick and simple way on how you can keep it extended without having to keep your door open and getting the inside wet. Open up your door, and this will work with any door. After a few seconds, the board will actually retract and go back up in there. And if the top is dirty, the quickest and easiest way is to just simply put your foot on it, apply some pressure. You'll actually feel it trying to nudge up just a bit. It'll be very faint, but then it will stay there. That way you guys can spray it off, rinse it, scrub it, whatever you need to do just to keep it clean. And then you just open the door, close it back up, and it'll reset and automatically go back. So there's just a quick and simple way on how to keep that power step deployed for you guys to be able to clean it. Thank you so much. If you guys have any more questions, you guys can reach me at 254-434-7212, or feel free to stop on by 9610 Interstate Highway 20 here in Eastland.